just hit 50,000. Let me pull off right up here. So I got this 2012 Aprilia Tuono about 2 years ago, or just under 2 years ago. About 37,000 miles on it. I don't know if you can see that, but right there I've got 50,000 miles on the thing. I just hit it today. Needed about 450 miles back on Friday, so I started riding a lot, and yep, I just hit it today. So wanted to be special here. I came all the way out to Brown County. It's about an hour and a half away from my place. It's a nice area. Get a picture of this here. Been working on this for a while.